So I'm down here in the basement now, just getting a couple things ready to take over to the garage. I need to make sure to grab my impact guns, my half-inch and my 3/8 heat gun. Gonna need that to take some of the vinyl off of the fiberglass body. Once we get to that point, a couple other things here and there, just making sure I get some things together that I think I'm gonna need. We're getting ready to actually go pick up the truck soon so that we can go get the trailer, go get my actual professional toolbox that I'm going to be using for most everything. Most all of my stuff is in there. And then we're going to pick up the trailer and hopefully go get our first car today. Really excited to get this started and underway, get everything rolling. Really excited to finally get my hands on something that I can actually do that's interesting and fun and hopefully make a really good business out of. And I just want you guys to kind of come along and see everything we got going on. Content's not going to be my main priority here. I just want to document some of the things that I'm doing, give you guys an idea of where I'm going, things to expect. I'm going to be really busy actually building these cars. So I'm really going to have to focus on those things, but I'm going to have a camera in the background at times. Not going to try and do a lot of face-to-face stuff, but probably a lot of voiceover stuff. But just keep an eye on everything that's out there, and hopefully you guys will be hearing big things from New Yankee Auto Systems.